Hi, I'm Renee, and I clean, declutter, and organize my followers' homes for free. In this episode, I'll be working in the spare bedroom and the master bathroom. I originally said this was going to be a 3-part series, but it looks like it's going to be a 4-parter. If you haven't watched part 1, stop and watch that episode first. I will do before and after videos after I complete each area. So I started in the spare bedroom. So I started with cleaning off both of the beds. So this spare bedroom was also full of clothes, as you notice in the corner, and then also in the clothes closet that you'll see shortly. This family reached out to me to help their 85-year-old parents who had a very serious health scare. They were both in the hospital for 3 weeks at the same time and then in a nursing home for 4 weeks. The goal before they came home from the nursing home was to have their home safe and organized and clean for them. The homeowner was able to leave the nursing home for several hours to tell me what clothes she wanted to donate or to keep. She donated so many clothes. Remember the clothes that were in her closet originally in part 1? So the homeowner went back to the nursing home, and now the daughter is letting me know what sheets that they want to keep and what they want to donate. We spent time trying to figure out if the sheet was a king or queen. The homeowner also liked to collect picture frames. Once again, the daughter told me which ones they'd like to keep and what they would like to donate. I boxed up all of these frames and they went for donation. Time to take the portable closet down. And yes, this was also donated. Please feel free to hit the like button because it lets me know how useful this video is to you and if I should create more content like this. This system was a whole house vacuum. Okay, I did find one bed skirt. Make that two. This one is for a king-size bed, so I had to find the one for the twin. I did not find a matching bed skirt for the second bed. Onto the closet that's in this spare room. The homeowner was once again able to go through all of these clothes and donate the majority of them. She did not want any of her sewing boxes moved. I forgot to take an after picture of the closet, but this is what it looks like. All of these clothes were donated from the spare room. Like you saw in part 1, she used the pop tabs in this room as well. Moving back to the master bathroom. They have his and her vanities, and I started with his first. His bathroom vanity drawers just needed some organization. I pulled everything out to see what was in there and then wiped it down. I'm checking expiration dates as I'm putting things back. As I organize the drawers, I'm putting like items with like items together. I'm also putting things that he would use most often in the upper drawers so he doesn't have to bend down to the lower drawers. So on to her side. So once again, I removed all the items from underneath the sink. After cleaning out all 3 drawers, the bottom drawer was completely empty. And again, I moved everything up higher so she would not have to bend over. Okay, on to the cabinets between the master bedroom and the bathroom. It was like a walkthrough area. Once again, I pulled everything out of the cabinets to see what was there. The daughter let me know that all those hats were not to be donated. After wiping off the shelves, I adjusted them so that they were lower, so any items that I put back, the couple would be able to reach them. As usual, I checked expiration dates on all the products. If it was a medication, it went into a separate bag to be donated to the local pharmacy. Now to remove everything from the cabinet below. In all of the shoe boxes was inventory of elastic bandages, toothbrushes, loofahs, razors, combs, and hairbrushes. Since they were all brand new, they were donated. I'm lucky enough to help these families. When you watch the video to the end, you're helping more families to declutter and organize their homes. I organized this cabinet to make sure all the medical supplies were in one spot. Now on to a bonus bathroom. This bathroom was in the spare bedroom with the twin beds. The majority of the items in this vanity was donated. Of course, I failed to take after pictures. Donation and trash out of both the spare bedroom and the bathrooms was easily over 50 bags. I'm so glad I could help this family. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.